Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right, this one go to the left. Next, I will put negative s go to the right. We have s and first derivative of s. This is about linear differential equations. So we need to find about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu y equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that we have number 1 next to s, that is for integrating factor, and I will put this one gone here. And we have like this. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. So this one we have e to the power of 2y. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So for this one, that is about e to the power of 2y over number 2, and I will put about c. This one we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have se to the power of y. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.